A. Every day. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Not too bad, thanks.
When we leave someone, we usually say goodbye and also perhaps see you soon. See you soon is quite informal. When someone goes to bed, we usually say good night. We sometimes also say sleep well. Don't say good night when you arrive somewhere, only when you leave. If you ask for something, you usually say please. If someone does something nice for you, you say thank you or cheers.
Cheers!
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Bless you.
B. Special days.
When it's someone's birthday, you say, Happy birthday. When it's Christmas, you say, Happy or Merry Christmas. When it's New Year's Day, you say, Happy New Year. When someone is doing something difficult, for example, taking an exam or having an interview for a job, you say, Good luck. When someone has done something special, for example, done well in an exam or had a baby, you say, Congratulations or Well done.
A. Words. Word, actually. Example: people say bad things about her, but she's actually very nice. Meaning: in reality. Really. The book is really good. Very. Else. Do you want to buy anything else? Or go somewhere else? In addition or different. Around. I'll meet you at around 6 o'clock. About or approximately. Anyway. I'll drive you home. I'm going that way anyway. To give a reason for doing something. Anyway, as I said, I woke up very late today. To return to an earlier subject. B. Expressions.
Why don't we go to the cinema this evening?
Good idea. Let's go and see a film and then have a meal.
OK. Which film do you want to see?
I don't mind. It's up to you.
How about the new Angelina Jolie film? What about the new Angelina Jolie film?
I was late for work today.
Oh dear! Was your boss angry?
I forgot to bring your book.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I don't need it.
I'm sorry, but I can't come to your party.
What a pity!
I passed my exam.
Well done.
Hurry up! The taxi's here.
Look out! There's a car coming. Be careful! There's a car coming.
We need to buy Marta's birthday present.
Absolutely. What about getting her a scarf?
I agree. Let's go shopping this afternoon.